I should probably put a shirt on, honestly. But I don't know if there's one in reach. Is that a shirt? Is that a shirt? Are there shirts? I don't want to put this thing on. It's gonna be hot. I don't even know if you can hear me. Gasp! There is a shirt. Couple shirts. Go figure. Now I don't need to be nude. Putting a t-shirt on. ASMR. Okay, so now I can lean back without violating any terms of service. Not that man titties violate terms of service. That hurt. But yeah, so this is a thing. Yeah. I'm just trying to do random noises like, holy shit, what is that? Oh my god. Right. You know, things that I might say, things that I might do, volume transitions that could occur realistically. Like moving back all the way back here. Like, what do you want? Go away, you're ruining my life. Things like that. Okay, so I plugged in my the USB power bank that is powering the microphone, and that is relevant. That's important, and the reason it's relevant / important is because I once used this same microphone for live streaming once before, many a year ago. And a thing that I found is that when the microphone is plugged into the wall, it gets a lot of weird line noise. And I don't know why. It's probably has something to do with the power frequency or whatever. I'm not sure. But, and by plugged into the wall, I mean like, maybe it was plugged into my computer. No, I think it was plugged into my computer. I think it was plugged into the wall. It might not have been as much of an issue, but it might have also still been an issue. But it was plugged into my computer, and as a result, it got all this weird, intermittent, like clicking sound, which was line noise. It wasn't anything the microphone was doing or anything I was doing. It was all from being plugged in. And I did several tests to determine this. I don't remember if it was a wall thing or if it was specifically a computer thing, but it was a thing. Alright? Anyway, so powering it off of USB power banks doesn't do this, but power banks can run out of power. So it would be ideal to be able to plug in the power bank if it's running low on power, so you power the power bank back up and then have power for the microphone. But I don't know if having the power bank plugged in while the microphone is being powered from the power bank will create this line noise situation that I had previously, or if somehow the power bank would be a buffer of some kind between that and being a thing. Yes. Shall see. So it's a thing, apparently. Alright, moving on.